All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Ejakwaja, you want to cue up the intro video? Blacktastic.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Thanks to our brother. It's premiering today. Yes.
That's hot. That looks like a Quinto creation.
Black salute, Black salute. How about the press?
How would Bobby be to me?
How Bobby be doing Black salute?
You know how I go.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with libation. Baba James Small did let me know that he's traveling today in Virginia, so he may take a second to come in, but he has the details and everything. But we're gonna go ahead, just to honor everyone's time, we'll get started with our libation, and we're anticipating that he'll join us in the next couple of minutes. So, Abibi Tumi, Abibi Fahodie. If I have permission from my elders to go ahead and get started. Anybody?
Yes, permission granted.
Blacktastic. Eja Yao in the place to be. Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
Otum Faradi Yonko Poncho Pompana Chilo Sinamosi. Ataki and one they do some Jenny did the February. I wasn't yet Molo, you to me moment back, and that's a good for me now. And I brought down in my city with sport for such a thing. May not be to go for a castle, even number, probably see, and I said, and they are Pazera and there's some kind of conference. There's some union in Yata, there's some console and Quanim, there's some console. I don't be at the fiber, I don't bet, I don't console. Now, talk to be a kind of fun that be for the Jabby, or whatever, Raman years. But Jan Chena, Queen us, and come back Queen us from the door. Only two, to the Larry. If I load the matter, the Kayi. Ìgbà àgbàwọ́lọ̀ tó tún ìgbà àgbàwọ́lọ̀ tó sì ìgbà rọ́mọ̀lá bára tó tún ìgbà ifá akéré fún sọpá ìgbà akọ́dà bá ṣẹ̀dá ìgbà àgbàlókè fẹ̀ ìgbà àgbàwọ́lọ̀ rẹ̀ rọ́mọ ìgbà ayọ̀rẹ̀ wájú wa wà lè rè sí ẹ̀kọ́ lọ́wọ́ bá dìbà ilẹ̀ ìlànà ní ọmọ ìpìtì ìdìbà ìgbà pa èṣù ọ̀tà ìgbà èṣù ìgbà ọ̀yà ìgbà ògún ìgbà ọ̀ṣun ìgbà yọmọjà ìgbà ẹ̀yìn òrìṣà gbogbo ẹ̀yìn ìgbà ọ̀kànlénírínwó ìgbà olóòló ìbà bàbá ìbà dìde ìbà àti ọjọ́ ìbà àti wọ ìbà gbogbo ọyẹ tí a wá sí ìpàdé yìí kí gbogbo nǹkan lọ dáadáa fún wa ká kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ká sì wá sí ìpàdé Àbíbí Túnmí kí gbogbo nǹkan lè lọ dáadáa fún wa àṣẹ 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 ò ìbà kò ṣẹ. All right, Blacktastic. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the presentation that we have for you. As Baba James Small will join us shortly, as mentioned. So let me share my screen as well as sound. All right. Hey, can everyone see my screen?
Indeed.
So, oh, one second. Wait 1 second. Make sure I have the sound check. Okay. All right, and as some of you know, every year Baba James Small does a promo video with us, so we wanted to just do a live promo with him this year. This is the one from last year. He also did an interview with us for 2023. So that is one of my Babas, all the way back to when I was doing my rites of passage. So I'm very excited about him coming in. And we also have a surprise for him when he comes this year. So just in short, this is, as mentioned, Abibi Tumi Conference and Abibi Fahodie Festival. And our theme for this year is what Black Power is, demonstration over conversation. So when I say Abibi Tumi, I want you to say Abibi Fahodie. Abibi Tumi.
Habibi Fahodie.
Habibi Fahodie.
Habibi Tumi.
Habibi Fahodie.
Habibi Tumi.
Habibi Fahodie.
Habibi Fahodie.
Black Power. And that is going to be our call and response this year. In the first year and second year, when we said Habibi Tumi, people said Black Power. We're going to say this year Habibi Tumi and Habibi Fahodie. And again, when we say demonstration over conversation, it is about being about what you say that you are about. And again, for this year, this is part of the 27th annual Sankofa Journey, where all 12,000 plus Habibi Tumi and UNI members have the opportunity to, converge here in Ghana, build, demonstrate Black Power through awards, art, music, food, film, fashion, presentations, and real nation building and action. So we're very excited about that. And again, this year we're going to have, a split type of presentation. And this is what we say, save the dates, that we're going to have December 5th through the 7th virtual only. And then December 12th through the 14th is going to be a hybrid presentation. And, for the first one, basically, we didn't want to try to have all of the presenters come in, on the weekend. And just because we got so overloaded with presenters last year that we even had one or two who didn't get a chance to present. We had even one or two performers who didn't get a chance to present. As a matter of fact, Tamu Mazama, Blacktastic artist out of Guadeloupe, was slated to perform. Just the time was too much of a crunch. And interestingly enough, she and her mother, Mambo Amu Mazama, just came to Habibi Tumi headquarters today. They're in the country. They had an event in Burkina Faso, and they are in Ghana now, and they were able to stop by. And, I apologize that, we weren't able to get her in as a performer, but she wants to actually come this year in person, which would be most Blacktastic. And, one of the ideas that we had is that we're going to put half of the presenters in the first weekend, which is the virtual only, and then have the other presenters in the hybrid conference, which is, of course, going to be on the ground here in Mampo. And then we're still going to have the online component. Last year, we had Ɔbenfo O by Nabello, on virtually. We had Ɔbenfo James Small. Virtually, we had Ɔbenfo Anthony Browder. So, we're just going to keep the hybrid format, but I think with an additional weekend, it'll give us more slots so that we're not crunched for time. So that's one of the exciting new things that we have coming this year in terms of the innovation. And as we mentioned, that this is the 27th annual Sankofa Journey. If you have not signed up, go to sankofajourney.com. It just came to my attention yesterday. I actually saw, something like this last year, where you have a fake Sankofa Journey out there where people are using the name. And then you get there and there's, who knows, Lumumba and his wife, Becky Sue, the cracker. So you don't want to go with any Sankofa Journey except for the real Sankofa Journey, 27 years and counting. And someone else let me know that somebody tried to hijack the Repatriate to Ghana concept, and they, put together some bootleg site or whatever. So just make sure that when you're coming on the Sankofa Journey, it's the real Sankofa Journey. And when you're coming through Repatriate to Ghana, that's the real Repatriate to Ghana, and no bootlegs of people who just figured out that they were Black last year and started to open up shop. So again, this is about demonstrating Black power in action, not just words. A unified community of Habibi Tumi and UNI members worldwide. So some of you are already aware that we signed an MOU with the UNIA. For anyone who isn't aware, UNIA is Universal Negro Improvement Association that was founded by Nana Marcus Garvey. And we signed an MOU, and this is what this image is, with President General Michael Duncan, the 10th successor of the Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey. And, we're looking to make this a collective conference where Habibi Tumi members, UNI members are able to converge all in one place. So it's going to be very Blacktastic between the conference and the festival. And just part of the concept is the conference is where we come together and we share the models, the proof of concepts, the best practices in Black power and Black liberation. And then the other side of the property is the Habibi Fahodie Festival. And this is, both sides are all Black. We don't allow any crackers in. But on the festival,